In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean up messy paths using the Simplify tool in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever drawn a line with the pencil or brush tool and ended up with way too many anchor points, making your path hard to edit and control, this tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to instantly smooth out rough paths and reduce unnecessary anchor points in just a few clicks. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. To demonstrate how the Simplify tool works, we need a messy path to clean up. Go over to the toolbar and select the Pencil tool by pressing N on your keyboard, or choose the Brush tool by pressing B. Now click and drag on your artboard and draw a rough, messy line. Don't worry about making it perfect. In fact, the messier it is, the better for this example. When you draw freely like this, Illustrator automatically creates a large number of anchor points along the path. To see exactly how many anchor points were created, switch to Outline mode. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl+Y on Windows or Command+Y on Mac. Outline mode removes fills and strokes temporarily and shows you the vector structure underneath. Now you'll clearly see all the anchor points along your path. Notice how dense and cluttered they are. This is what can make paths difficult to adjust smoothly later on. Next, switch to the Selection tool by pressing V on your keyboard. Click on the path to make sure it's selected. With the path selected, go up to the top menu, click on Object, then navigate down to Path and choose Simplify. This will open the Simplify dialog box. As soon as the Simplify window appears, you may already notice your path changing. The most important control here is the Curve Precision slider. This slider determines how closely the simplified path follows the original shape. If you drag the slider to the left, Illustrator reduces more anchor points and makes the path smoother and simpler. If you drag it to the right, the path stays closer to the original, keeping more detail and more anchor points. While adjusting the Curve Precision slider, keep an eye on your artwork and also look at the anchor points if you're still in outline mode. You'll see the number of anchor points decrease as you lower the precision. The goal is to find a balance where the path still looks good, but has far fewer points, making it easier to edit and more efficient overall. You can preview the changes in real time, so take a moment to move the slider back and forth and see how it affects your line. If your shape becomes too distorted, simply increase the precision slightly until it looks right. Once you're happy with how smooth the path looks and how many anchor points remain, click OK to apply the changes. Now, if you toggle back out of outline mode by pressing Ctrl+Y or Command+Y again, you'll see your cleaned up path with its stroke and appearance restored. The line should look smoother, cleaner, and much easier to manage. And if you switch back to outline mode again, you'll clearly see that there are far fewer anchor points than before. That's all it takes to clean up messy paths using the Simplify tool in Illustrator. This technique is incredibly useful when working with hand-drawn illustrations, traced artwork, or any paths created with freehand tools. Fewer anchor points means smoother edits, better performance, and more professional-looking vector artwork. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.